Welcome to another video by WA Courses. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Find and Replace tool in Word. Now, we have this document. Imagine that I'd like to find a specific word in this document and how many times it has been used. There are a couple of ways I could find all of the words. One of them is to go to the View tab right here. And in the Show group, click on Navigation pane. The navigation pane pops up here on the left side. There is also a faster way to open up the navigation pane. Let me just show you that. Close this down. By clicking on Ctrl+F on your keyboard, the navigation pane pops up again. So that's a faster way to open it up. So let's say I wanted to find all of the words veg in this document. You see, right here, 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 and here. And they have been highlighted in my document also. You can see them in the yellow highlight. Now, imagine that I wanted to replace all of the instances of the word veg in my document with the word vegetables. I could go to the navigation pane right here, click on the arrow, and click on Replace. This dialog box opens up, which is called Find and Replace. So now from this dialog box, I could replace the word veg. Here I would type in what I want it to be replaced with. Vegetables. I can replace them all. All done. 5 replacements. Let's take a look. Close this box down. Okay, so let's see. Find the word vegetables now. And here they are. The word veg has been replaced by vegetables. Okay, let's undo that now. And we're back to veg. Now, let's search for the word veg once more. Now imagine I would like to replace the word veg just in the title, in the heading right here, not the rest of the instances. I would click on the heading, so how to start growing your own veg, and then click on the arrow here and replace. Veg, replace with vegetables. Replace, not replaceful. Replace this one. So you can see now it says vegetables. Now, if I wanted to do a more advanced search, I could click here and select Advanced Find. Okay, so I would like to find the word veg. More options. I would like to match the case. Okay, let's try that. Find whole words only. Okay, you can use wildcards, sound like English, find all word forms. And you can select any of these options to advance your search further. And from here, find in the current selection or the main document. The main document. Let's close this, and it has found all of the words according to my advanced search. Okay, now let's make a few changes to the format of my document. From a Who tab, let's make this paragraph bold and let's underline this one. Now, the reason I did this is to show you something else that Find and Replace can do. Now, when you're not interested in finding a certain word in the document, rather a format, this is the way to do it. Let's open up the Find and Replace box again. Let's deselect the advanced options that we had selected before and delete these two boxes. Now let's go to the Find tab. Make sure your cursor is in this box. Click on More and then Format. Font. So we are searching for bold text. Okay. So you see here, Format, Font, Bold. And find in the main document, please. Here it is. It has found my bold font. And I would like to replace this font now. So click on Replace. Make sure you click in this box that says Replace with, Format, Font, and I would like it to replace it with bold italics. Okay, and replace. Bold italics. Let's try another. Let's try this paragraph, which is underlined. Again, from the arrow, open the Replace box. Let's start with Find. What do I want to find? Click in this box, the Format button, Font. I would like to find underline. Regular font style and underline. Okay. Find in the main document, please. Here it is. It has highlighted my underline font. Now I would like to replace it. Replace. Replace with, click in the box. Click on the Format button. Font group. I would like to replace it with no underline style. Okay, and replace. You see, I replaced my underline font with no underline. So you see now how useful Find and Replace can be. You can find and replace words, or you can find and replace formats. That was the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.